Hello everyone. Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents India's biggest online public speaking championship. And this is my official entry to the round 2. My name is Guru Prasad and I'm from Udupi, Karnataka. I was very much excited when I got my list of topics in my round 1. And I was even more excited in the round 2 when I got something on a very favorite topic of mine, which is leadership. There are a couple of reasons why I love this topic. First, I've done a lot of research on this particular topic, and what really amazes me that leader is responsible for any corporate to be successful. At the same time, leaders can also be responsible for any corporate to go down. And secondly, I always a big fan of my favorite author, Simon Sinek, who also authored this book called as Leaders Eat Last, Why Some Team Pull Together and Others Don't. Well, this also happens to be the topic, Leaders Eat Last. Now, what do you mean by leaders eat last? It all talks about the leadership style, the leadership quality, and the caring and the support that towards his team. You all know that, leader is all about the team's man who always stands front, takes accountability, responsibilities and all that. I'm always a big fan of Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group of Atlantics. One of them asked him, Richard, what is your top priority? Whether it's customers or the employees. That's a true sign of a leader. You know what he says? Employees are my top priority because I know if I keep my employees happy, they will keep my customers happy. Well, there are a couple of occasions when I've seen Richard Branson serving snacks and tea in his airplane. That is the kind of morale his employees has with him. It's like a family bonding over there, right? And second thought, what I always believe is the leader is one who also takes a lot of accountability and responsibility. For this, I have a best example, date back to 2011, my all-time favorite, MS Dhoni. If you remember that World Cup of 2011, his batting performances in all the matches was very average, I can say. But in the final, he promotes himself up the order at the crucial time when India is actually losing wickets and bats till the end and takes India to the victory. That's the accountability and that's the responsibility. Wow, this is just amazing. And we have also listened to various quotes of leaders are not born, they are made. Well, I believe that the definition of these leaders gets on changing as per the situation. And what I feel in the current scenarios, the best definition of a leader is that, or a leadership, is that leaders are the one who has ability to produce more leaders. What I actually meant to say was, today it's not about building an empire, it's all about taking to the next level. I also actually meant was, the sustainability is key today. It's just not about starting it, it's about scaling it up and taking to the next level. So really, do I have a capacity as a leader to produce more leaders under me? That's the big game-changing attitude today. So yes, leaders eat last, leaders live last, leaders work for the team, and they ensure the team is always on the front. And at the same time, he as a leader takes immense responsibility, immense accountability, and he has great skills like flexibility, adaptability, so that he can take himself and his team and his corporate to the next level. So yes, be a good leader, be a great leader. It's you who are accountable for yourself, and the team will always be with you. Thank you so much for watching the video.